Hello, let's talk about the numbers on our number chart. First, we are going to count from 1 to 120 by placing our finger underneath each number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Boys and girls, I hope you counted along with me. Make sure that you place your finger underneath the number each time you say the number. All right, boys and girls, now let's have a look at the numbers on the top row, numbers 1 through 9. Place your fingers underneath the number 1 and let's count from 1 through 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boys and girls, these are all one-digit numbers. Boys and girls, the number 10 all the way to number 99 are all two-digit numbers. That means that the number 10 is one whole number, but it has two numerals, two digits. We will talk more about numbers and digits in a later unit. Now I would like to talk to you about even numbers. Even numbers are numbers that have pairs. Boys and girls, when you skip count by 2, all the numbers that you say are even numbers. Boys and girls, let's pick up a yellow crayon and let's color all of the numbers that we see in this column. As you color, I want you to notice that each of the numbers in this column have a number 2 as the last number. All of the numbers in this column are all even numbers. Now, let's color the numbers in this column. Notice while you're coloring that all of the numbers in this column has the number 4 as the last number. These are all even numbers. Let's color the numbers in this pattern, in this column. All of these numbers end in the number 6. These are all even numbers. Now let's look at the numbers in this column. And let's color them. All of these numbers end in the number 8. All of these numbers are even numbers. Now let's look at the numbers in this last column. The numbers in this last column are all even numbers. Boys and girls, if you look at your paper, you will notice that we have created a pattern. We have created a pattern of yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white, yellow, white, and yellow. Boys and girls, this pattern represents even numbers and odd numbers. All of the numbers in the white column are all odd numbers. All of the numbers in the yellow column are even numbers. So our pattern would be odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. Boys and girls, we are now going to skip count by 2. I want you to notice that each number that you say when you skip count by 2 is an even number. All numbers that you say when you skip count by 2 are even numbers. Let's place our finger under each number and let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 114, 116, 118, 120. Boys and girls, all numbers that you say when you skip count by 2s will always have a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 in the ones place. All right, boys and girls, let's pick up a blue crayon. Let's take our blue crayon and let's color this column. Boys and girls, this column is a column of odd numbers. But there's also something special about this column. I wonder if you're going to notice. All of these numbers in this column end with the number 5. Now, I would like for you to take your blue crayon and I'd like for you to softly color the numbers in this column. You may softly color the numbers in this column, or you can just take your crayon and color half of the numbers. It's totally up to you. I'm going to do both. Notice that the yellow and blue mixed together make the color green. There's something special about these two columns that I colored in blue. Boys and girls, these are numbers that you say when you skip count by fives. We have created another pattern. Notice that this column is colored in blue, but this column is colored in yellow and blue. Yellow and blue together make green. The reason that this column is colored in yellow and blue is because not only do you say these numbers when you skip count by fives, but these numbers are also even numbers. So our colors help us to remember which numbers are even, which numbers are odd, and which numbers we say when we skip count by twos and when we skip count by fives. Boys and girls, let's take our finger and place it under each number that we say when we skip count by fives. Make sure that you place your finger under the number so that you can see the number each and every time you practice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. Boys and girls, these numbers continue on and on and on. Now, let's look at our last column. This last column includes all the numbers that you say when you skip count by 10. All the numbers in this column end in the number 0. All of the numbers in this column are also even numbers. That's why they are colored in yellow. Let's say all of these numbers. Place your finger underneath the number. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Boys and girls, we have used our number chart to count from 1 to 120. We have used our number chart to identify even numbers and numbers that we say when we skip count by twos. We've used our number chart to identify odd numbers, which are the numbers that are in the white column, and these numbers in the blue column. We've used our number chart to identify numbers that we say when we skip count by fives and when we skip count by tens. Boys and girls, study this number chart every single day. Count from 1 to 120. By the end of first grade, you will need to know how to count from 1 to 150. Use your number chart to help you to identify even and odd numbers. Use your number chart to help you to remember what numbers look like. You can also close your eyes and count just to test to see if you remember all of your numbers. Have a great day.